We're gonna have a burping contest. Yeah, Coke. So, yeah, I have one coming, but it just won't come out.
When do we start?
Now.
Who first?
You.
Okay. My tummy going first.
Mine might come out first, though. There was a burp in my laugh. Did you hear it?
Yeah. Well, I want that one.
I can't make myself burp. How do you do that?
That was a fail.
Janelle stole something from here.
What'd she take?
I don't know. She was like, I did take things from your house, by the way. Something out of my room.
I just dripped my phone.
Oh! It's coming.
Go before I do.
I can't. That's a fail.
It's not a farting contest.
That wasn't a fart. That was a burp inside. My phone's dying.
Okay, go.
I can't.
I'm waiting. Oh shit. You're gonna beat me!
The stuff she was wearing. Oh. She's not allowed to make herself burp either. She has to burp when it comes.
There was poop in that one.
Cheater.
I didn't make myself.
You weren't supposed to let that come out.
Well, that tastes like gummy bears. Gummy bear. If I'm a gummy bear.
Who's coming? It won't come out. Ready? My burp was a fail. These suck. That was great. That felt good.
It's gonna be hard to beat that.
I know, right?